Are you focusing on growing your social media presence? Or maybe you're trying to grow your email list? Do you know that the new king has arrived in the online marketing space? Chatbot marketing. If you're interested in having your chatbot, then you should check out this ManyChat review and figure out exactly how to use ManyChat to create engaging superfans for your online business. ManyChat is one of the biggest chatbot software platform for Facebook Messenger. It is an excellent platform to build your chatbot quickly so your audience can interact with you directly on Facebook Messenger and even SMS. Before I dive into exactly why you should consider having a chatbot, let me point out that if you're just starting out with your online business and already have a full plate, don't try to learn all about chatbot for now. Chatbots are great and fun, but you should prioritize your revenue generating activities first. If you think having a chatbot will be great for your business, you can consider outsourcing and hiring someone to create your chatbot for you. Having said that, creating a chatbot is not that difficult, especially with ManyChat. Now that we got that out of the way, let's take a look at exactly why having a chatbot could be great for your business. It provides a fun and personalized experience. Although chatbot sounds very robotic, it can allow you to set up fun and interesting interactions, creating unique experiences for your audience. Since your name and basic information is already hosted within Facebook, the chatbot will be able to call you by your first name and give you a more personalized interaction. The entire interaction can be fun too. Based on what your audience answers, your chatbot can be set up to give specific answers. You can even set up with automation, so when someone comments on a specific post, they'll get a message sent directly to their inbox. Just imagine what you can do with that. The sky is the limit. Chatbot can also help you get more leads. While your social media engagement can be extremely low depending on the platform, chatbot engagement is very high with 80% open rates and 25% CTR. Implementing chatbot inside your marketing strategies can bring in more leads than any other online marketing efforts. You can also combine ManyChat with your Facebook ads and reduce acquisition costs. You can use click-to-messenger ads to send prospects into Messenger, where you can collect and qualify your leads, accept payments, and keep the conversation going. By offering solutions to your audience by giving them quick wins, you can turn a cold lead into a warm audience who's likely to come back to learn more from you. Through chatbot, you can also build relationships. Through the interactive and tailored content that you create for your audience, you can instantly start building relationships with your audience. On top of that, you can create automation to send out messages to your audience to engage with them with the content that would likely attract them. Let's take a look at some of the ManyChat features. Now that we've had a look at why you should use chatbot marketing, let's take a look at exactly what ManyChat can do for your business. ManyChat has easy creation process. When thinking about creating a chatbot, you probably think that it would be a complicated process, possibly even with coding involved. That's what I thought too. With ManyChat's easy to use tools, you can create the customer conversions you need to achieve your Facebook Messenger marketing objectives. There's no coding required whatsoever. You can easily segment and send updates, appointment reminders, customized content, special offers, and so much more with ManyChat. Then there's the SMS feature. 85% of customers prefer to receive a text message over a call or email. You can reach your customers where they want to chat. ManyChat allows you to seamlessly keep the conversation going across multiple platforms. You can get new subscribers at a low cost on Facebook, then consistently engage via SMS. You can also use a text message to bring customers back to Messenger and continue chatting with them for free. You can also let your customers easily share their phone numbers with you when they visit your e-commerce store, so you can send text order updates or abandoned cart reminders. You can connect your Shopify store with ManyChat for a seamless and integrated experience. Speaking about integrations, there are so many different integrations you can do with ManyChat. You can create integrations to Google Sheets, Shopify, your favorite email autoresponder, and more with ManyChat. By doing this, once you collect the information of your new bot subscribers, it can be instantly added to your list without having to manually perform these actions. You can also use Zapier to connect ManyChat to thousands and thousands of other apps to streamline your process. ManyChat customer support has an extensive library of best practices, guides, and tutorials that are there for you to get started. If you need an extra hand, they also have 600 advanced agency partners and 80,000 community community experts that can help you. Let me tell you how I use ManyChat. I've been using ManyChat for a few years now, creating chatbots for my own business as well as for my clients. From online magazine to blogs, e-commerce stores, coaching business, and brick and mortar store, I've created all kinds of chatbots. Although there is a bit of a learning curve in the beginning, with all the incredible support, the detailed tutorials and guides, you can start creating your own automation and systems in no time. Once you have created the main automation system with ManyChat, you can then let the automation run in the background for you, handling the main queries your visitors might have, collect data and information on autopilot. With ManyChat, I was able to even set up mini games with my audience. I created a mystery choose your own adventure game, and my audience can easily purchase directly through the messenger bot and start going through the riddles and quizzes that I had previously created. Even if you don't think you need all the advanced features and functionalities of ManyChat right now, it is a great tool to help you add an extra layer of customer support to your business. You can set up FAQs and help your audience get their questions answered right away. Let's take a look at some of the ManyChat pros. It has a great intuitive flow builder for you to easily drag and drop when creating your chatbots. There's a wide range of features to help you collect leads and build relationship with your audience. There's also an advanced tagging feature. There's also a wide range of triggers to connect with your visitors. A lot of these features are actually included even on the free plan. I especially love all the support and tutorials that ManyChat has. Then let's take a look at the ManyChat cons. There's a learning curve when you're first starting out with ManyChat, and because of the constant Facebook Messenger updates, ManyChat is also updating regularly to stay up to date. While the chatbot creation system stays the same, sometimes your chatbot might not work for a short period of time. There's also no chat support despite all the many tutorials that they have. ManyChat is honestly an incredible tool that can help you take your business to the next level. Even just starting with the free plan, you can get a lot out of the software. I would highly recommend getting ManyChat for your business. I've said this before, but I'll say it again. Building a chatbot shouldn't be your priority. I see some of my clients jump onto the idea of creating a chatbot even before setting up all the business foundations. While having a chatbot is a fantastic way of generating leads and creating lasting relationships, you should take things one step at a time when it comes to your business. If you need help with building your chatbot, feel free to reach out to me and I would be gladly to take a look and see how I can help you bring your chatbot dream to life. If you want to have a look at ManyChat for yourself, you can click the link in the description box down below. What do you think about chatbot marketing and ManyChat? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any questions about chatbot or ManyChat, feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thank you so much for being here and watching this review on ManyChat. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.